Hi everyone, teacher and the classmate. My name is Tania Mesa Rodriguez. Today I want to talk to you about the African people. This is me. Let's start. Physical description. She is Laura Vanessa. He has a very nice personality. She has long black hair. She is of the constature. She is tall. She is a law student. She has clear eyes. Her skin color is brown. She is wearing a blue one piece with a pair of black hair. Next, what he likes to eat fruit. To exercise, he likes to attend church. He likes to sing and dance. He likes to share a lot with family and friends. What he does not like, she does not like that she discriminates against others for being different. She does not like to be disturbed. She does not like to dress southern. She does not like to get early. Next, continue. He is my aunt, Yomaira Rodriguez. He has a very introverted personality. She has wavy hair. She is tall. She has dark brown, with black eyes. She is of course texture. She is a housewife, dressed in a white blouse and black short with long flip-flop. Next, their lights. He likes to travel, to share with family. He likes to cook rice with coconut. He likes to exercise. What he does not like, he does not like to eat chicken. He does not like heights. He does not like to be away from his children. Next, he is either Augusto, my friend. He is a very calm person. Has brown eyes, brown skin color, is black hair, thin, tall hat. He is a language teacher and coordinator. Has a white sweater. Next, their lights. He likes to eat pizza, listen to music from Soundgarden, play radio out airways. He likes to go to the movies. He likes to share with his family. What he does not like, he does not like watching television. He does not like to read what news or what Disney. He does not like to get early. Next, continue. He is my uncle, Eliezer Mesa. He is a very funny person. He always laughs at everything. His profession is to be mariachi. He is tall, black hair, black eyes, dark skin. Take contest. This red mariachi dress with a tie. Next, they likes. He likes to sing. He likes to throw a lot. He likes to share a lot with his family. He likes to take his daughter to skate in the park. What he does not like. He does not like to be away from his family. He does not like the color black. He does not like to get behind in his presentation like mariachi. This is it all. I hope and you like it. Bye. Thank you so much.